Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encountered bad image 0xc000012f error, then watch this video for the solutions. Now first solution is to go to command prompt, click on run as administrator, yes, and then enter the command dism space slash online space slash clean up cleanup hyphen image space slash RESTOREHEALTH and press enter. Now I won't press enter here because it takes quite a long time folks, and I want to keep this video short for your convenience. The other, once that scan finishes, we can scan for the SFC scan. So we will enter the command SFC space slash SCANNOW and press enter. Now we'll wait for that scan to finish, and while the scan is finishing also we can also download the redistributable files. So in the search button we will look for C++ redistributable, or you can Visual Studio redistributable, and then click on latest supported Visual C++ redistributable downloads, and we will scroll down and we will select the version for which we need to download. Now how will we know whether we need to download x64, x86 or ARM64? For that we need to go to system information, okay, and we will look at the system type. Now here I have run an x64 based PC, so I will download the x64 version. If you run an x86 based PC, then you need to download the 32-bit, and if you run the ARM64, then the ARM64. So I run the x64 bit. I will download this, open this file, and then right click on it, click on run as administrator, and then I will click on repair, and that should get the job done. Now the next thing I need to do is I will try to reset and repair the app with which I'm getting a problem. So normally this error occurs when you open Office apps like Windows, PowerPoint or the Word. So for that what I need to do is I need to right click on the start button, go to settings, look for the app which is causing the problem. So apps, installed apps. Now for example I opened Word and I'm getting this error, so I will look for the Office suite Microsoft 365. Click on these buttons here in the right hand corner, go to advanced options, and then I will click on repair till I get the check mark. I got the check mark, and click on reset and click on reset again. Alright, and that should work. But if that too doesn't work, then we have few other options. We can re-register the .dll file for which we are getting error. So for that we'll go to the command prompt again, click on run as administrator, and then we will enter the command regsvr32 space. Now when we get this error, we'll get bad image 0xc000012f, and we'll get the name of some DLL file. For example, let's say sysin, right, .dll. So we'll get the name of the file. Just put the name of the file there and .dll and press enter, and it should re-register the file and you should no longer have this issue. Now in the rare case that all these solutions fail, with these solutions always work 95% of the time, but in the 5% if it doesn't work, then we have two options. One is we can use system restore, and one is we can reinstall the app. So we'll reinstall the app first. Right click on the start button, go to settings, go to apps, installed apps, look for the app that is causing the error. In my case, say example is 365. Click on it, click on uninstall, uninstall again, and then we'll go to Microsoft stores, You can also look for it in your browser, folks, but Microsoft Store is a better option to download any app, only for the reason that it gives you a virus free and a malware free download. So I'll click on get. Yeah, I haven't uninstalled it, so I get open. I'll click on get, and then it will install. Now, if none of these work, then the last option I have is to do a system restore. So I will look for recovery. Alright, I will click on open system restore, and then either I will go to the recommended restore or I will choose a different restore point that I've created myself. Click on next and click on finish, and the system should restore and you should no longer face this issue. If these solutions helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.